Today, I'm showing you how to remove a Messenger account from your Android device. Let's get started. To begin, open the Messenger app on your Android phone. If you have multiple accounts logged in, first go to the menu option on the bottom right. Then, tap your profile picture to see Switch Account. In the Switch Account menu, swipe left on any secondary account, not your primary one. Tap Remove or Delete to remove that account. Next, to remove your primary Messenger account, you need to use the Facebook app. Open Facebook on your Android device. Tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Tap the gear icon or Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Tap Account Center to manage connected accounts. Scroll down and tap Password and Security. Tap where you're logged in to see all active sessions. Select Facebook to view all devices where you're logged in. Look for the Messenger app in the list of active devices and sessions. Tap on the Messenger session, then tap Log Out to remove that account from that device. Tap Log Out again to confirm. Repeat this for all devices if needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Messenger account from your Android device.